Hello, my name is Maria Fernanda Romero, and this is a pronunciation practice for the English Phonetics course. So let's get started with reading. Teachers protest. The protests last 1 week. The teachers want smaller classes and better money. They say that there must be more staff in schools. Schools say that there is not money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that schools spend the money on different things. So the second one is for minimal pairs. We have to pronounce these words that are some similar, and we have to have in mind the variation of the sound. Cat, bat. White, wise. Ride, road. Kite, night. Take, steak. Caught, caught. Pin, bean. Till, peel. Teach, teach. Day, pay. Dig, pig. Deal, peel. Duck, back. Date, bait. Toe, call. Tool, cool. Tape, cape. Tote, coat. Town, gown. Tie, guy. Tap, gap. Tool, bull. Tag, gag. Table, gable. Tin, fin. Tail, fail. Tan, fun. Tick, big. And the third one is about intonation and stress. So we have to read again. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Next. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. So that's all, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.